Hi, soldiers. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. We are watching a administrator series in this channel, specifically the niche item from administration area. What are all the things are there? How to identify those items we are discussing in this series. Earlier video, I just recorded that session. What are all the things are mandate in your administrator area? So I covered those topics in that video. If you want to see, please refer those videos. It will help you. In today's session, what we are going to discuss is security side. What are all the role administrator is going to play? So that topic we are going to discuss in this session. So this security means instance security, user security, data security. So these are all the things we are going to discuss in this session. These all parts also comes under your administrator related tasks. So ServiceNow side, to manage this activity, ServiceNow provides two options or two capabilities. One is /ISC, Instance Security Center. That means if you have an instance name dot service-now.com /ISC, Instance Security Center. If you use this URL, there also you can use your security related component. And the similar way, if you go to your left navigation pane and type security, if you little scroll down, there is an option called the security center, and via that option you can reach this place. So you can use these two options and try to ensure security related, instance related items or data related items or user related items. You can handle the security portion via this capability. So here I have selected that direct security center. So this security center, if you are going inside, it's look like some of the workspace it will display. And here there are some other element which is representing your security portion. By default it will come here. So specifically we talk about the user security, data security, instance security concepts. So those item it is available here in the security monitoring console. So when you are working in the security area, there are metrics highlighted by ServiceNow. That metrics, almost 81 metrics, ServiceNow already derived. This 81 metrics, it's really supporting your business instance and real time. So I can show you what is that 81 metrics. It's supporting part of your ServiceNow administrator role. You try in your ServiceNow business unit, that means business ServiceNow instance, may that will help you to understand more. So if you go a little down, I'm in a security center monitoring. In this security center monitoring, ServiceNow provides a security metrics. This security metrics count is 81. What are all the 81? That's information is highlighted clearly here. So it covers that information about user, data, and instance related items. So for example, if you talk about the users, in the user account specifically, you take a integration. So integration side, we have a n number of accounts, right? We have a n number of service accounts we have created to manage that integration. So how many service accounts are created, where I can see, where I can govern those type of information is ServiceNow provides a simple capability here, that is called security center monitoring. So in this security center monitoring, there are 81 metrics are there. In the 81 metrics, you just open that item, and here you can see integration accounts. So how many integration accounts you have in your ServiceNow business instance, those items you can handle it here. Active integration accounts and inactive integration accounts, total active and inactive both are highlighted here. So if anyone is asking how many integration service accounts are available, you go directly here, open it, see it, and showcase it. Very simple. This is integration point of view. Next, users point of view. How many users are there, how many new users, how many active users, how many inactive users, how many failed logins. So those items, everything, it can be handled in this page. As admin, we should understand this point so that we can easily engage the business, we can easily engage the internal team. What they are asking part of this KPI, you directly go and open it and you can showcase it. So no need to write any scripts, no need to write any dashboards or reports. Everything by default, ready-made manner, it is available in ServiceNow side. So user logged in, user logged out, failed logins. So if you open this one by one, you can easily understand. As administrator, this item will help you a lot to support your ServiceNow business instance. So currently I don't have that much record because it is my PDI. So if you go your business instance, then you can see the real data based on these conditions, so you can easily understand it. And next thing is security related notification. This is also very very important part. What are all the out of box security related notification ServiceNow is providing by ready made manner? So that question, it is answered in this security center monitoring under the section called notifications. So security notifications, what are all the security we have in the out of box scenario, it is highlighted here. So specifically, if you go security event notification, so here these are all the notifications currently it is enabled. Please remove this one. It's for a test purpose I created. So except this one, two, three, four notifications, it is enabled from ServiceNow side. What are all that four notification? For example, if you are providing any administrator role for some other person, immediately it will notify to the appropriate person. Appropriate person means to the leadership team, because admin account, it is a little dangerous, right? So we need some proper approval, and admin account also cost consuming, so many things are there. So whether it is followed properly or not, how we can govern based on this security event notification, we can govern it. So in this security event notification, specifically ServiceNow provides when high privilege role is granted. So if you open this and you can do the configuration, in case any admin role or some other role, if you are providing to someone, then whom it needs to be notified, so that the person can ask this question, what is the reason you created, any request are created, or any approval is provided or not. So those type of governing area, it will help you a lot. So this is a very important portion, please use it in the real time. And similar way, this is one option. And impersonation also, it's another option. So people, some VIP users, they don't want to impersonate their account. So that time we need to put our governance. So instead of impersonating, if any person doesn't know and they are impersonating to that VIP account, how to I monitor? So it is easy to provide that solution with the help of out of box side. So here, send notification on impersonation, send notification only to impersonated user. So you can use these two notification, do the configuration and enable it. So currently all status are inactive, you can activate it. There is no major item here. Just open it, make this duplicate. That means you cannot edit directly from here. For some reason, if it is not editable, then don't worry, you just open this item. And here there is an option called duplicate. You click the duplicate and configure this policy setting. Based on the policy setting, whom it should receive, what group it should receive that notification, any roles, specific roles you want to maintain, those configurations you can do it. So similar type of configuration you can do for the remaining item as well. That means impersonation, notify to the user, impersonation, user. So next, user logged out notification. So those area you can easily configure it. So it's a ready-made solution. Only thing is you need to do the configuration. That configuration also, whom it should be notified, that information if you're configuring, that's all. So this is simplified here in the out of box flavor. please use in real business instance, so that you can see the difference, how it is supporting in the real use cases. So next, a few more items. You take this, you take the next 81 uh, metrics. So we discussed about user, we discussed about the notification, we discussed about the integration accounts. So similar way, for example, if you want to follow some best practices, so that best practices advices also provided in this console. So what are all the best practices I need to follow, so those area also you can focus it here. So again, I'm saying this is a PDI instance, very limited options are there, but try with your real business instance, it will support you a lot. Authentication area, so specifically you take this X509 certificates. So X509 certificates means normally if you have a X509 sorry, if you have a SSO, or if you have an Active Directory, that integrations you will enable with your data source, right? So when this X509 certificate is going to expiry, so we need to monitor it, right? So that certificates maybe 1 year it is valid, 1.5 year it is valid. So we need to monitor, or we need to govern that information. So for this case, no need to write any dashboards, or no need to create any reports. So everything by default it is available in this security center monitoring. And open this authentication, under this authentication you go to the X509 certificate, it will give you the clarity how many certificate is going to expire. So try with the business instance, it will support you. So similar way, what are all the things you are expecting, all items you can try it from here. So ServiceNow, it is completely providing a ready-made pack. So you just use this capability as an administrator. These items will heavily support you without writing any simple code, or without writing any configurations. So just go and use it. But this area, when you are using, some configuration is required, because by default it is an inactive state, or by default it having some other configuration. So you want to modify it, or you want to activate it, those area you need to focus in this console. This is completely free of cost, it is part of your existing instance capability. So no need to worry for a administrator related specific area with respect to your security. So I hope this security concept it has helped you, and it is supporting you as administrator persona. So please use these type of out of box capabilities or functionalities in your real business ServiceNow instance. This will help you very simple manner. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this session. Good day. Good boy.